So here at uen.org, we're going to log into Utah's online library down at the bottom where it says resources. And once we log in, it should bring you to the login page where you'll need to use your UEN login. And for students, they'll need to use the most current username and passcode that teachers can provide them or school media specialists. So once you get in, you'll see the reference collection and you'll see Culturegrams right at the top. So we're going to click on Culturegrams. And just so you know, the aim of Culturegrams is to foster understanding and appreciation of the world's countries and people by creating and publishing concise, reliable, and up-to-date cultural content. So as you can see, there are different kinds of content on here. There's a world page, a world edition you can explore, a kids edition, a states edition, and a Providence edition. And I just want to click on one of these just so you can see. So for high school, you'll probably look at world edition. So let's click on explore when you right here. And right away, you see a map and then it talks about what is culture and it gives you kind of a little overview of what you see. You also have a search engine up here and then you can see at the top there are photos, slideshows, videos, interviews, famous people, recipes, flags, and graphs and tables. And you can just click on one of these continents or you can scroll down and click on a continent. So let's go to Asia. And right here, it zooms in on Asia and all the different countries within it. And from there, your students can either choose a country to research or you can assign them. I am going to look at South Korea. And once you get in, it kind of gives you information right away. And you can see, did you know? You can listen to it. And on the sides, again, if you have seen other parts of Utah's On Library, you can save information to your Google Drive, Classroom. You can print, you can view the full report, email it, and then there's more features along the side here. But as we go through this, you can see that there's infographic on an average person, the official name, anthem, and you can listen to them. You'll see the flag, country data, and then on the side, you'll see more over here on the background, land and climate history, and the people, customs and courtesies and lifestyles. And if I go into a different country, it will be pretty much set up the same, but depending on, the country, it will look a bit different over on the sides over here. So let's go back, and I'm just going to go back to Culturegrams, and I'm going to go into the States edition so you can see what it kind of looks like in here. Similar idea of, here's the map of the United States versus the whole, whole world. And I'm going to click on, let's go to Alabama. And right away it gives you, did you know? It gives you the flag, the motto, the map, some quick facts and additional features here. At the top, you have your Google and your Google Classroom that you can click into. Plus, you can listen to it. And then on the side, it gives all the information about the place, the climate, the geography, resources and economy, history and lineup, and more information on the people and cultural notes. So this is a really great tool for students to research on different aspects of world and culture and people. So this is a place to go.